Hello guys, welcome to Define Agile. My name is Anatoly. Here we're talking everything Agile tools, and today another JIRA tutorial, very quick one. You guys were asking for it. We have epics and they have this different colors. How do we change the color? Let's say you don't like the grayish color, you want to change it. How do you do that? I'm gonna show you that, but two things beforehand. If you guys want to learn JIRA in about 1 day, please go to description and check out the course I have. It will allow you to go through beginner to pre-advanced in just 8 hours, so it'll be pretty cool. Or if you're completely stuck and you need my help, you can schedule a time with me. It can be 1 hour, 2 hours a week, whatever you need. Go to a description and there's a calendar link and you can book things right into my calendar. Finally, if you're completely lost and you want me and my team to help you set things up, let me know. Just go to defineagile.com, schedule a consultation, and let's talk about it. So now let's get to the gist of this. You have those epics. One thing I want to tell you, you'll probably tell me, Anatoly, we don't see that doesn't exist. Well, you have to be a Scrum project. For some reason, in Kanban, Atlassian doesn't like epics. They think that this is more like a Scrum thing. So that's why you cannot do a lot of things in Kanban. At least I don't know how to do it in Kanban. In Scrum, it's pretty straightforward. So you see those epics, you go to a backlog view. So if you're in a Scrum, go to a backlog, and then you click on epics. You see a list of all your epics for this project. And let's say I want dashboard related to be green color. So I go and I just select green color. And dashboard related becomes green if you refresh this. See, don't forget to refresh the page, and then dashboard related is green color. So yeah, you can change a bunch of things in here. You can change edit name, detail. You can also mark it as done. So if you want to work with epics, you should know about this panel. So it gives you a lot of things. Hope it helps. Let me know of any questions. If you think that brought you value, please like and subscribe, because those videos are coming every week, so you'll definitely benefit from it. I appreciate you. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.